Hey, what is up everybody? Today I am doing a simple repair, replacing a Vitamix variable switch from one Vitamix to the other, or you can buy it on eBay and do it that way. So let me just show you what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the Vitamix whose speed dial works, and I'm gonna put it into this one. This one doesn't work, or it jitters actually. So first thing I've done is I've removed this piece right here. Oh, actually first we've removed this piece that used to go here. Remove this, which is easy, and then you remove this piece, and then you use this to remove it. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here later, but let's get inside this. So after getting inside, you can see this comes out and it's actually attached over here. So this is one point of its attachment and this is another. And I've marked these locations. See, as you can see, I've made a little marks on this wire, so I know this goes on the top and this one is on the bottom. So I'm just undoing this and I'll be right back. So here we have it. I've taken this one out of this, and now I will do the same thing. Take this speed dial out of this blender and we're gonna replace it with this one. So again, we have a similar setup. This one was connected up here, and this bottom one we're gonna take out. And let me tell you, Vitamix loves to use a lot of zip ties. So as you can see, I have a lot of cut ones here. So you're gonna have to do that in order to get this out. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you how you can easily remove these. Actually, so you just take your screwdriver, and just push it right there. As you can see, I'm creating leverage. It will come out. I mean, I'm doing this with one hand, but you want to do it with two hands, as you can see. So you'll just put the screw here and just push it out. Okay, and that's how you get it out. So here's the easy setup. So basically, I just plug these in here. You can see that's the marked one, so it goes on the top, and we have the other one that goes on the bottom. And now we're gonna put this in there and we're gonna see if it still jitters. Hopefully it shouldn't. I'll be right back. Alright, so before I put everything together, I'm gonna test it and see if there's still jitteriness. Okay. As you can see, it works. That's how you replace a switch on a Vitamix. And these are pretty versatile. You can actually switch them out from different machines. As that, like I have the other one over there. That's for parts, and so pretty easy thing to do. And if you thought it was easy, if you got something out of it, please like this video and share it with other people, your friends who might have Vitamixes. And if this video was helpful for you in figuring it out, please like it and leave me a comment. And if you have any other questions, let me know, and I'll do my best to answer them. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.